You like to submit your photos looking nice and square, and it's easier to put your comparisons side by side if your images are good and square. So this video shows you how to square up your painting for presentation in Discord or on your website or wherever you want it to go. So the first thing you want to do is go to Edit and down to Perspective Warp. When you click on Perspective Warp, this screen will open. It says click and drag to define your planes. Snap two or more planes together to define corners. All we need to do is define one plane. So I'm going to go up to the far upper right-hand corner, left-hand corner, and drag down to the lower right-hand corner, and I'm going to let go. When I let go, I'm going to come up here to this upper right-hand and drag it to the upper right-hand corner and adjust the lower left to the lower left-hand corner. Then I'm going to go up here to where it says Layout and Warp. I'm going to warp it. I'm going to choose the grid and then choose the check. And then that will make it nice and square. So the thing you have to do now is make sure that your aspect ratio has been maintained. This painting was a 9:12. So if I go to crop and do a 9:12 crop, let's see what happens. It did not maintain my aspect ratio. It widened it a little bit. So what I want to do is I want to clear my aspect ratio crop, go up here to your ratio crops and hit clear, and then adjust it to select the entire painting, and then hit enter to crop it. So now I have my cropped image. It is not a 9:12, and it should be, so I'm just going to change the size. I'm going to go to Image, Image Size. This is coming up 32:41, and 18 is, this is 9 times 3 is 27. So you want to keep it in that 9:12 aspect ratio. So 9, 18, 27, or 36. And then the height is 12, so 3 times 12 is going to be 36. And then 75 dots per inch is good on this for these purposes. Click OK. And then I want to go up to my crop one more time, choose a 9:12 aspect ratio, and see if it complies. And it does comply. Thank you for complying. And that is how you unskew your skewed paintings. Thank you for listening. See you all later.